Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 3, 2022. Today's video is about thin section. In optical mineralogy and petrography, a thin section is a thin slice of a rock, mineral, soil, pottery, bones, or even metal sample, prepared in a laboratory, for use with a polarizing petrographic microscope, electron microscope and electron microprobe. A thin sliver of rock is cut from the sample with a diamond saw and ground optically flat. It is then mounted on a glass slide and then ground smooth using progressively finer abrasive grit until the sample is only 30 micrometers, 0.0012 in, thick. This image shows a thin section of Siilinjärvi apatite ore from Finland in cross-polarized transmitted light. The specimen depicted here is approximately 36.6 mm, 1.44 in, wide by 20 mm, 0.79 in, high. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.